Hi, let's see the review and demo of Pigeon hot kettle. 1.5 liter capacity, 1300 watts, 1 year warranty, MRP 1045 rupees, DMart price rupees 499. Lightweight stainless steel body of the kettle with cool touch handle. Cord length is about 1 meter. And not only boiling water, you can use it to boil milk, to make instant soup, noodles, etc. And the indicator light turns off automatically when the water is boiled. So it took only 2 minutes to boil 500 ml water. Overall, best in budget friendly price, useful kitchen appliance for hostelers, busy professionals and gifting also. Do check out Pigeon hot kettle.